Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect a controller to your DELL Latitude 3550. First of all, you're gonna need to put your controller into pairing mode, and to do that, you have to press and hold the PS button and the Create button simultaneously in case you are using a DualSense controller. If you are using an Xbox controller, I will also show you how to connect it, but later in this video. So press and hold these two buttons together until the LED lights start throbbing on your controller, and after that you're gonna have to open the Bluetooth menu. To do that, click on these three icons in the bottom right corner, then click the arrow icon next to Bluetooth and select your controller. This will connect it to your PC. If you want to disconnect it, you're gonna have to select more Bluetooth settings option at the bottom. Then click the three-dot icon in the top right corner of your controller and select remove, and this will unpair your controller from your device. If you want to pair an Xbox controller, you're gonna have to first enable it by pressing the Xbox button right here in the middle, and after that you're gonna have to press and hold the pairing button, which is located approximately in this spot. Usually in this case, once your device enters the pairing mode, you will see the notification in the bottom right corner of your screen, and if you click on it, you will pair with your Xbox controller immediately. But if not, you can still open the control center, you can still go to Bluetooth devices and select your Xbox controller right here on the list. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.